In this course, I've already shown you how to build a simple and effective email automation system, one that runs on autopilot and delivers value to your audience day and night. Now, if you haven't seen that part yet, I will drop the link in description so you can revisit it anytime. But once your email automation is live, you might face a frustrating problem. Your email sequence starts sending messages as expected, but nothing's really happening. And there could be several reasons for this. Maybe no one's opening your emails, or maybe they do open them, but there are no clicks, no replies, and no sales. And then you start wondering, did I do something wrong? Let me reassure you, if your email sequence is running properly, as we covered in the course, and your messages are reaching subscribers, the issue likely isn't technical, it's strategic. Many digital marketers, product owners, sales professionals unintentionally overwhelm their readers by trying to do too much in a single email. They mix education, storytelling, professional updates, and sales pitches all at once. But here is the thing, too many messages in one email equals no clear message at all. And a confused reader doesn't click. So here is how to fix it. Give every email one job, just one. That means one key idea or pain point, plus one short story or example, plus one clear, visible call to action. And that's it. So let me give you a quick example. Let's say you have an online course you're trying to sell. Don't send an email with a checklist, a YouTube link, a motivational quote, all in the same message. Instead, focus on one obstacle like perfectionism. Use the email to share a short story, not your whole backstory, but just one meaningful scene from your experience about how waiting for perfection can keep people stuck. And then end it with one simple CTA. Watch this 2-minute video where I break the perfection cycle. That's a focused message, and focused messages drive action. So, your next step, pick one email from your email's automation sequence, read it out loud, and ask yourself, is it clear what I want the reader to do next? If it's not clear to you, it won't be clear to them either. And once you make this adjustment, once every email has one job, you will start seeing more engagement, more clicks, and more conversions. Okay? Now, if you want to go even further into the power of storytelling and copywriting, how to grab attention, structure your message, and lead readers to action, check out my other course, Storytelling and Copywriting for Marketers. It's designed to help you turn ordinary messages into stories that sell without sounding pushy or salesy. I will drop the link in the description if you are interested. Thank you for watching.